Today is our what we call our triennial disaster drill, which is an exercise pretending like an aircraft crashed on the airport, and then we do the full response like we would do if this actually did happen.
Thankfully, we don't have plane crashes often, but all of these responders that were here today have the responsibility to come to the airport during a real emergency, during a real plane crash. So they have to be able to practice their skills in a setting that is as close to realistic as possible. Most of the responders that were here today, the victims, the fire department, they're all volunteers.
All of the fake blood and makeup that's used to make bruises and burns, and we actually have fake broken bones and things like that, that's all called moulage.
We'll add more blood when we get out there.
And that's very important for the medical first responders so that they can do a real life triage so that they can actually see the condition of the patient and then make their judgment of, what are we going to do?
We had 45 total confirmed on the plane. There were 2 fatalities, and so that left us treating 43 people. I'd say probably about 20 the walking wounded, and then 20 more seriously injured.
Okay. You had kids? How many?
I'm playing a plane crash injury, and I have a bullet in my head, and I guess I'm supposed to be dazed and confused and walking around and in pain.
I'm actually just a walking wounded, so I have a facial abrasion, but I'm alert and oriented.
I hope it gave everybody that responded today a realistic idea of what will go on.
I think overall it went remarkably well. Everybody pulled together as a team, and we just immediately went in and saw what we had and started working all the patients. I hope they walked away with seeing how well area departments can work together, what we have out there, how quickly and effectively we respond to something.
You learn that it takes a lot of people when it comes to events like this. It takes a lot of coordination, and I think we do a good job in this area doing that.